Behind a stolen motor vehicle now, London Road, out of town. Stand by.
It's going!
It's failing to stop, but it's making off. Speeds of 50 miles an hour. London Road, across the green traffic light. With on us 1434, the front seat driver. 1630's driving, 1434's commentating. We're a video equipped car, I believe video is running. And I'm continuing towards Whittlesey, off side of the road, onto oncoming traffic. He's collided with a wing mirror of another vehicle and continuing on. Miles an hour. The crossing is down. We're going to try and get him here.
I've done the crossing, you fucking idiot.
Let it go, let it go, let it go.
He's done the crossing.
He's done the crossing, we've aborted, there was no way in this earth we were going through that. He's continued towards Witter.
Cross.
Hang on.